Hold on to your hats, folks, because when tornado weather hits, these scientists break out the colored pencils. They're not just coloring in their favorite superheroes, no way. They're creating 3D models of twisters to predict where they'll strike and when. These super cool scientists are using colored pencils to visualize wind patterns, and it's a game changer. They're like the storm chasers of the pencil world. But it's not just about the cool factor, it's about saving lives. By understanding how tornadoes form, we can warn people in time, and that's a superpower. So, if you love science, and you love color, then join the team and start coloring your way to a safer future. Let's get creative and save lives, one colored pencil at a time. Join me in this amazing world of science, and let's storm into the future.